Okay, so you want to smell like a fresh bakery, you want to smell like Lidl's bakery, you want to smell like you just came out the washer and dryer, then keep on watching. Hi guys, it's Neil. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing really well. I am here today with a video that everyone wants to know for some reason. I know the clean girl aesthetic was really viral last year. This time around, everyone just wants to smell like they just came out the washer and dryer, and honestly, I don't blame you. Sometimes we don't always want to smell like pistachio, lavender, caramel. Sometimes we just want to smell like we just came out the dryer, and what is wrong with that? What is wrong with that? So I am here today with a video all about how to smell like clean laundry. I am talking about fresh, clean laundry out the washer and dryer, and this is exactly how I do it and how you can do it too. And you guys know, if you follow me on TikTok, you would know that I'm really active over there when it comes to my hygiene tips, my hygiene advice. I just give gems for the girlies to feel their best, and smelling good is definitely one of those gems, because how can you feel your best if you don't smell good? It just doesn't work. So if you're excited to get into this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I would love to have you to the channel if you're new here. Let's get straight into this video. I am so excited. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. Right, we're gonna start by talking about shower, okay? Because I feel like everything starts in the shower when it comes to hygiene and smelling good. We can talk about perfumes, all of that, but hey, honey, let me be honest with you, none of that matters if we're not even taking the first step, which is to shower in the first place. So let's start there. Before we even get into the shower routine I'm about to give to you guys, if you want to smell like clean laundry, I just have to flag some things. If you still shower with a loofah, your hands, and if you still only shower with a shower gel, you're probably not gonna like this video because I go against all of those things. Loofahs carry bacteria, let's not do that. Washing your body with your hands, not even gonna get into that, absolutely criminal. And only washing your body with a shower gel, you're not properly clean. A shower gel makes you smell nice, it doesn't actually fully clean you. If you're one of those person that does that, look, no shame, okay? My channel is all about, you know, we're open and honest over here. We are open and honest, so there's no shame, but this is the video for you, because I'm also going to be flagging those things out, because we shouldn't really be doing that, especially in this time of year. I don't know where the people that watch my channel are based, but the UK has had a massive heat wave recently. Don't even ask me why I'm in a long sleeve top. One thing about me, like, the weather can be hot, but I'm still going to be in my comfies. Like, I actually, like, sorry, argue with someone else. If you want to have the best shower routine, you have to double cleanse. Double cleansing is using a bar of soap and using a shower gel, or like a body wash, however you want to call it. And obviously you exfoliate 2 times a week. Outside of exfoliation, you should still be washing your body twice. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk products that actually help you smell like clean laundry. Obviously, like I said, the first step in the shower is using a bar of soap. The bar of soap I use, I want to see the best ones if you just want to smell clean, subtle and simple. This is the Dove Sensitive Skin bar of soap. Now, if you've been following or subscribed for a while, you would know that I talk about this bar of soap a lot, because this is also the bar of soap I use down there on my kitty cat. It's just really simple, it's easy, doesn't irritate her, really soft on the skin, it lathers really well. So if you struggle with any of those issues, this is a really good one to use. But I also use this as my first cleanse in the shower. And I will say that everything I'm talking about in this video is linked on my shop. My link is in description box down below. And like I said, I do not believe in washing with loofahs, your hands and stuff like that. Exfoliating gloves are fine to wash with when you're exfoliating. When you're just washing your body, which is what we do for the first cleanse, we kind of want to put the exfoliating gloves to the side. So as of right now, because we're just using a bar of soap, the perfect thing to wash your body with, and all the girls that have been here for a while already know what I'm gonna say, an African net sponge. I literally do not recommend anything else. You really want to get the dirt off your body, the bacteria off your body. You want to smell good, you want to smell clean, not even just smelling clean, you actually want to be clean. You need to wash yourself with this. When you're getting an African net sponge, please don't waste your money and get the ones that are inauthentic. Like, there's no point, it's not even going to scrub you well. The reason to know if an African net sponge is authentic is that it will have the tiny knots. So I don't really know if the camera is going to show it because it's really tiny, but if you can look closely, you can see that in each of the African nets they have a small knot. That's what you need to be looking for when you buy yours. This isn't linked on my shop, because I get these from TikTok shop, because there's a seller on TikTok shop. She originally gets these shipped straight from Ghana, straight from Nigeria, so they're completely authentic. Every single time I use this in the shower, I literally feel like a Lidl's bakery. Like, I am not even lying. So if you want to smell like proper fresh clean laundry, the body scrub you need to get your hands on the days you're exfoliating is the Dove Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk scent. This smells gorgina. With all the things I show in my videos, you can tell that she's dearly loved, because look at the packaging. Writing has come off, she looks crusted and dusted up. Like, you can tell she's dearly loved, because look how ratchet she's looking. Like, I love this. This is the body scrub you need, okay? Obviously this isn't an everyday thing. We should only be exfoliating 2 times a week, if that. It is so good. If you haven't already got your hands on the Dove Caramel Macadamia and Rice Milk Scent Body Scrub, you need to, okay? Body scrubs is a must when it comes to trying to smell like clean laundry, and this is the one I'm definitely going to recommend. Exfoliating is really important, especially during this time of year. You want soft skin, smooth skin, baby soft skin. People are going to think, wow, how do you get your skin so soft? You need to be exfoliating 2 times a week, okay? This is the only time where I use exfoliating gloves. I use exfoliating gloves with my body scrub because it just really gets in there, gets in my skin, which I love. I only use exfoliating gloves when I'm rinsing it off though. So the good thing about this body scrub is that use it with your hands. So obviously I have nails, so you know, the girls with nails understand. We pluck it like that and we just massage it into the skin, and it's so soft on the skin. Like, have you guys ever tried a body scrub that is a body scrub? No, this body scrub okay, it is honestly amazing. So this one is definitely the one I'm going to recommend. You want to smell like clean laundry, you need to get your hands on this one. And lastly, the final cleanse in the shower that you need to be doing to smell like clean, soft laundry. I recently got my hands on this like about a month ago. I have been loving it so far, especially paired with that body scrub. It just enhances it really well. This body wash is slightly hints of vanilla. It's not overpowering vanilla, it's really subtle vanilla. That way it gives you that more clean kind of laundry kind of scent. This is the Imperial Leather Cotton Flower and Vanilla Scent Body Wash. Absolutely love this. This is how it looks up close. Like I said, it does have hints of vanilla in it, but it also does smell like cotton flower. I don't know if you guys have ever smelled cotton flower, but cotton flower hint cotton, okay? Cotton is a really subtle, soft, clean kind of scent. This is what this body wash gives. So that is the shower routine that I do on the days that I want to smell like clean laundry and just really soft. Obviously, like I said, body scrub is only 2 times a week. Even on the days where I'm not exfoliating, I do still use these 2 products in the shower to make sure that I smell like nice, soft, clean laundry. Now let's move out the shower and discuss what I do then, because that part is also important. And obviously, like I said, before I leave the shower, I obviously do wash my intimate area, but as I touched on in the first tip, I also wash my intimate area with the Dove Sensitive Skin Bar soap as well, so nothing new there. Okay, when we are out the shower, now this is the part that is most important. Just a little tip before we even get into the products you should use when you come out the shower. Make sure you're not drying your body, guys, okay? A lot of people make the mistake of coming out the shower and drying their body. No, obviously make sure your body isn't like fully wet. Like, obviously you can squeegee it off, you can pat it dry a bit, but don't fully dry your body. When your skin isn't fully dry, it's a bit damp when you come out the shower, you're gonna want to go in with the Nala's Baby 99% natural original body butter. Body butters, if you're trying to smell like clean laundry, is so much more better. I don't even know the difference between body lotion and body butters, but I think body butters are more thick. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think body butters are more thick, so that's why I always recommend this one. If you guys don't believe how much I love this, I went through this fast. The only scent I get from this is like a croissant, soft croissant bakery. That is the only scent I get from this. Nala's Baby 99% natural. This is also really good if you have sensitive skin. Like I said, it's made for babies. There's no harsh chemicals, ingredients in it. And obviously, I always say on my hygiene videos, we have to be using body oil. If you want glowy, soft skin, come on, you have to use body oil. This is the Nala's Baby 99% natural nighttime oil. Dermatologist approved, made for sensitive skin. This nighttime oil doesn't have any scent to it. I personally don't think it does anyway, but even better because we're not trying to have a strong scent to us. We're trying to have that subtle, clean scent. Really soft on the skin once again, and paired with this, an amazing combo. Honestly, when I'm trying to smell like clean laundry, Nala's Baby are the first products that I pick up. And finally, in terms of deodorant, I do not like to use scented deodorant just because I feel like they irritate my armpits. As someone who grew up sweating a lot, I do pay attention to the type of deodorants that I use. So now I literally just use the Dove Powder Soft deodorant. There's barely any scent to this, and especially when I'm trying to smell clean, I don't really want an overpowering deodorant, so this one is perfect. One thing I love about these, they're also dry stick deodorants. Dry stick deodorants are much more perfect to use, especially in the summer, especially if you sweat or smell more. These deodorants are perfect. Sweating is normal, happens to everyone. You know, the smell that comes with it, odor, that's not normal. So having a deodorant that really stops that, that's the type of deodorant that you want. And that deodorant, I absolutely love it. So once you finish moisturizing our body, you've put your clothes on, let's talk about hair, because I feel like hair is a lot of things that a lot of people can neglect when it comes to smelling good, because we pay attention to our body and how our body smells, and like, you know, obviously scents and stuff like that, but do we pay attention to how our hair smells? Your body can smell good, you can put perfume on, but if your hair stinks, you stink. It's like the first thing on your head, and people do get a whiff of your hair just like they get a whiff of your body. So I feel like this tops it all off. Like, if I had to end the video in a perfect way, it would probably be this: use a hair primer, and not just any hair primer. I know you guys have seen the Lush Super Milks hair primer. You're probably judging me and being like, Nia, what the hell is that? Right, I went to Lush a couple months ago to get a sample of the Super Milk hair primer because I wanted to know what it smelled like before I bought it, right? So that's why I've got the small tub. So this is the Super Milk hair primer in a small Lush tub because I got it as a sample. This smells gorgeous. When this sample finishes, I'm definitely gonna go buy the bigger bottle. I have never used a hair primer before this. I can just put my hands up and say that now. I only reach for this on those cozy days. Maybe I'm going somewhere cozy, maybe I'm going to the cinema, maybe I'm doing this, maybe it's a at-home movie night, whatever it is. I really only use this on those days where I really want to be subtle, clean and cozy. To top it all off, a hair primer if you really want to smell like clean laundry. This one I'm definitely going to recommend. And finally, I'm just going to give you 2 more tips for this video, just extra tips. Think of this as bonus tips. I've just got 2 in my mind that I really want to share with you guys. guys, you can do this whole routine that I've just mentioned. If you were not using the proper laundry pods to wash your clothes, there is no point. A lot of people forget to mention the fact that your clothes also contribute to how you smell. I have run out of them, so I don't have them physically to show you, but I'm going to put them on the screen, the one that I use, because these, I can honestly rant about these all day. I made a TikTok about these last year, and till this day, till this day, I am still ranting about them because they are that good. These fairy laundry pods, if you want to smell like clean laundry, fresh out the dryer and washer, you need these laundry pods. If you're washing your clothes with mango scented products, strawberry detergent, whatever it is, pay attention to the products you're using to wash your clothes. If you want to smell like clean laundry, you have to make sure that you're actually washing your clothes with something that reflects that scent. These fairy pods, ever since I discovered them, I have not stopped. Yeah, you can shower, you can do this, you can do that, but if you're not washing your clothes with the right scented products, you're also not going to smell that good. And the last tip I really want to give is when it comes to smelling like clean laundry, try and avoid perfume. I know you're probably like, Nia, how can I avoid perfume? I have to smell good, I want to smell good. Trust me, regardless if you use perfume or not, if you follow this routine I just gave you, you will naturally smell good, babe. Reason why I'm saying to avoid perfume if you want to smell like clean laundry is very soft, right? It's very soft girl scent, it's very subtle. Perfume, regardless of the perfume, okay, perfume is really out there. It's like, hey, I'm here. It's like, smell me when you walk past me. We want a nice, soft, subtle girl scent, and I promise you, perfume kind of goes against that. That doesn't mean you can't use something to smell good. Instead of using a perfume, if you want to smell like clean laundry, I always recommend to use a perfume oil. Now, this is where the change really comes in. Perfume oils in general are so much more better than perfumes because they stay on your skin longer and they smell stronger. If you're gonna buy a perfume oil, make sure you buy a good one, otherwise it won't last on you all day. Those are all my tips on how to smell like fresh, clean laundry. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I really hope you actually took something from this video. Have you tried these products before? Are you gonna start doing this? What do you think of this video? Anything you guys want to see, any questions you guys have, be free to let me know and comment them down below. And once again, as I said at the start of this video, please do subscribe if you're new here. I would love to have you to the channel. And if you have any requests from me as your big sister, your online big sister, be free to let me know. I would happily deliver it for you guys. But I hope to see you all in my next video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, YouTube suggests that you'll like the next one.